Hello lovelies people of the world. Today I came up with a recipe and it's called Tarstuni. Two of my favorite things come together in a wrap. Actually it's hot hummus and on top there's a spicy meat which is gorgeous. If you're ready, we can start. The story of this dish comes from a part of Turkey called Tarsus. Tarsus is famous for its hot hummus, and the region near Mersin there is something called Tantuni. We have great hummus recipe on the channel. We also have a great Tantuni recipe on the channel. Some of the Tarsus people say Tantuni was developed first here. So I said, okay guys, if you want to take it back as one of your dishes, let's combine it together. And I have made it for hundreds of people there. And I think they've liked it. I hope you're gonna like it as well. How does it start? First, we make a hot hummus. How do we make hot hummus under 15 minutes? We're gonna use already boiled chickpeas. 400 grams of the total thing and 220 grams of chickpeas. I'm going to put all of them here. Take this water of it. It's called aquafaba. Years ago, I've learned it from you guys. I'm taking the aquafaba out to use it in different things. For the vegans, this works as an egg yolk. Why I took it out? Because I'm going to wash this thing in under hot water. If we keep the aquafaba, it's going to have a lot of foam, and I don't want that. Now, we first start, we call this a rice washing strainer, and the thing is there are holes on the side. I have to take the skins off the chickpeas. It makes a smoother and a nicer hummus. But when you do it one by one, it takes ages. So what I'm going to do, under this water, I'm warming up the chickpeas first of all, and secondly, I'm straining the water. I'm going to use the water for the plants. As you can see, all the skins start to gather here. And what do I do to the skins? I don't throw away the skins. I give it to the birds. It's a great bird food. Taking these out here. I'm going to do this once more. This time the water is even hotter. And as you can see, in 1 minute, all the skins are gathered here. You see? This is a technique I have developed years ago and I love using it. Few skins can stay in, it's not a big problem. We have at least 2 handfuls of skin out. I am putting it to the processor. Take 2 handfuls on the side to add it as an ingredient to my wrap. Then 2 cloves of garlic, olive oil about 4 to 5 tablespoons, 80 milliliters of tahini. If you don't know what tahini is or if you have never made it, we have the recipe on the channel. It's very good. About half a teaspoon of salt gets in. And I'm going to put lemon, but I'm going to put it a little later. I'll let the processor work. Now I'm going to use a little more than half a lemon, so I'm going to cut it in such a way that one side is a little slightly bigger. I'm going to use the other side later on. Always when you're making a hummus, freshly cut the lemon and use it fresh. The taste changes incredibly. If your hummus is too dry, a bit of lemon could work. And also you can get a bit of this aquafaba and add a bit of this as well. Just a little, not too much. Let it work again. Guys, for you to share our videos, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our channel. It is very essential. The world is getting harder in every way, so all your support, we need it. Thank you so much. So in about 1 or 2 minutes, we have the hummus. We don't make a silky smooth hummus. To make that, we use ice. You can see it in other videos. It's a bit chunkier, but still I get a bit piece of the garlic, so it can work 1 more minute. So all done. I'm keeping it warm, about probably 50 to 60 degrees. It's quite good. It's because of the hot water. Now I'm going to prepare the meat. Turn on the heat. 400 grams of fillet steak. For 4 people, 100 grams would be enough. I'm going to have 2 long wraps. I put a bit of olive oil and a bit of butter. While butter is melting, I am going to add half of my meat. For the meat to not to get boiled, I put just the half of it. And it's going to start to cook. Meanwhile, when it starts, I'm going to prepare something great. We call this isot, the Urfa pepper. It's a black red pepper and a bit of sumac. You can use smoked paprika as well. It can work the same way. Almost 1/3 cup of water in, like this. This is going to work like a sauce. It will start to open its taste to the water. And I'm going to use the water later. Put a bit of nuts. This is actually peanuts. You can use pine nuts as well, but pine nuts became so expensive, I don't use it anymore that much. And if you can find some Turkish pastrami, half of Turkish pastrami, if you cannot find it, not the end of the world, you can use some cured meat. It increases the taste incredibly. Now, this is cooking, so we need a bit of salt, pinch of black pepper, cumin, and cayenne pepper. Mix in. At this point, I'm going to turn the heat to the lowest. Add one more knob of butter in. It will slowly melt. When it's melting, I'm going to prepare the wrap. As a bread, we have this thing called tırnak pidesi. Actually, you can use lavash as well, but with this one, it becomes a little more gorgeous, filling as well. To wrap it, I'm going to have the baking paper at the bottom, like this. Put the lavash here, and then it's time for the hummus. Before I put the hummus, what I'm going to do is, you know how the butter has melted and it's incredible? I'm going to put half of this mixture in. It deglazes the pan, and I put this bread, making it warmer like this. Beauty of life lies in small details. Okay, about 3 tablespoons of this mixture here. If it's too much, it becomes a little too much, so 2 people can share this. A bit of chickpeas, a bit of parsley.
At this point, this is a vegetarian wrap, a very delicious one.
Yeah, when I make it vegetarian, what we're going to do, we're going to make one for you. We put some halloumi instead of meat. Work the same way with the spices, that will work. And then I will need some tomatoes. But when you're cutting the tomato, you don't have slices. You cut the tomato on a slice like this. This way, you don't get the juice. Instead, you have thin layers of tomatoes with meat.
You can add halloumi at this point, or you can add your minced mushroom.
Yeah, minced mushroom would do as well, yes.
It would be perfect as well.
Then I put some, this is actually Armenian cucumber pickles. Very nice. Then here comes the beautiful, with its water as well. A lot of meat. So, because they are very thinly sliced, the fillets, 100 grams goes a long way. This could be a little more than maybe 120. I don't know.
I think that's 200 dear.
No, it's not. Very importantly, some more parsley. I also like the strands of the parsley. These places are great in taste, so I keep them. And some lemon on top. This is quite important. Lemon goes a long way. Now, time to wrap. There isn't a clean way of doing this, guys, but I'm gonna wrap it in such a way. Who wants to eat it?
You eat it.
I eat it. Burak?
This is big, first of all.
So I said it's for 2 people. I did this at home, so he didn't taste the final version. So you can taste it, Burak. Oh.
It's perfect. You get the hummus, you get the tantuni. The bread is great. Turşu harika.
And you get the taste of the lemon a bit, so...
Thank you.
Thank you. Actually, it's for 2. Anyways, guys, on the channel I have 2 videos here. One is the hummus video, the classic one that many of the people in the world like. And we have the original Tantuni recipe here. You can watch both. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Come to our videos, subscribe. There's this bell. Now you can all say, yeah, inform me each time, so you can use that button as well. That would be gorgeous. And share it with your loved ones, the video, and cook the thing and then share it with your loved ones as a dish. Have a great weekend and don't forget us. Bye.